Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video let me show you guys an easy way to reduce the cost of traffic from Facebook ads. So first let me show you guys what are the topics I'm going to cover on this video. So step 1, I'm going to show you guys how to increase the CTR in Facebook ads like 10% plus. So step 2, I'm going to show you guys how to test the ad images and ad copies quickly in Facebook ads. And step 3, how to make it profit from this method. So these are the 3 topics we're going to cover on this video. So I don't want to waste your time, so let's dive in and let me show you guys how to do this. So before that, if you are someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you leave a like, comment on this video because I will be answering your questions, and do subscribe to my channel guys because I'll be making more videos like this in future. So let's dive in. So first let me show you guys some proof that this method really works in 2020. So you can see here, this is one of my Facebook ad account and I just want to show you guys the numbers. So let me change that to lifetime. So you can see here, so most of these campaigns are targeting tier 1 country. So let me filter this campaign. So you can see that particular campaign because that particular campaign got 14,000 clicks. So let me break it down by country. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I can show you how you can make profit from this method. Because this is the easiest way you can make money online right now, because you don't have to sell anything. You don't have to do any conversions. You don't have to do customer support or anything else. You just send traffic and end of the day you're going to get paid. So you can see here, this is one of my Facebook ads campaign. On total it got 14,600 clicks for 0.01 cent, and I just spent $200 on this campaign guys. So pretty much all this traffic came from United States. So I've been getting a lot of questions on Facebook that people saying that Facebook is really getting expensive and it's not that easy to make profit from it. You can see here, I still target United States last month. Let me also change that to last week. So you can see here, I got 3,400 clicks last week for the same price, like 0.01. So I just spent like $43. So this is just a proof I want to show it to you guys. So let me dive in and let me show you how to do this. So step 1, I'm going to show you guys how to increase the CTR on your Facebook ads so you can get very cheap traffic from Facebook. So what you need to do is just go to your ads manager and you need to click on create. So this is how you're going to create the campaign. So this is very, very important guys, because just follow this method and you can easily increase your CTR. So you can see here, so these are the objective Facebook gives you. So what you need to do is you need to click on traffic, because I have tested this method with engagements and conversions. These two methods won't work that well compared to traffic. Even you use the same ad copy and same ad images, the CTR will really high in traffic campaign compared to the engagement and conversion. So don't run PP ads or conversion ads, just go for traffic ads. So this is very, very important. This is basic, so always follow this. So once you select the right objective, just click on continue. So this is where we're going to create the Adsense. So just make sure the CBO campaign is turned off because we don't do CBOs. So let's go to new ad set. So this is where we're going to do the targeting and pretty much everything. So you can see here, it gives you a lot of options like budget and other things. So I do $3 budgets. Always do $3 or $5 per ad set because it can easily reduce the cost per click on Facebook ads. I don't know, for some reason, if you have a higher budget, then Facebook will cost you more. So always reduce the budget per ad set. So what you can do is, in exchange, if you want to spend a lot of money on Facebook ads, then what you can do is just duplicate each ad set like 5 times or 10 times, so that can increase the daily budget. So that's how I do it. So once the budget is done, just go to targeting. So this is where we're going to target the country and the targeting. So let me change that. You can see a Sweden. So let me remove that. So let me target United States. So people living in this location or recently location, not a problem. Just leave that as it is. And age, it totally depends on the product or article you're going to promote. If it's something related to adults, then just target adults, like just go for 25 plus. So if it's a broader appeal, then go for 18 plus. So that's not a problem because Facebook is really smart and it can easily find your audience. So just keep it broad, because keeping it broad is also another trick to increase the CTR, because when you keep it broad, then Facebook has a lot of options and it can easily find your audience. So gender, I still keep it broad. I don't do any particular genders. So let's go to the detailed targeting. So targeting, always keep it as simple as possible. So if I'm someone who's going to promote an article or a product on dogs, what I'll do is I just target dogs. So you can see here, so this particular interest has 100 million people in it. So you have very high potential reach and you have very less competitors on these type of targeting. So don't be specific with your targeting, just try to keep it broad. So still what I do is I just duplicate this particular ad set into 3 to 5 times so I can hit different part of the targeting, because it's not going to show you ads to pretty much all people inside this dogs. So what they do is they just segment people inside this particular interest and they try to test your ad copy and ad images to them. So what you need to do is just duplicate it 3 or 4 times. So once the targeting is done, go to the next section. So placements. So what we're going to do is we're not going to do automatic placements, just go with manual placements, and we're going to remove Instagram because Instagram won't work well with traffic campaigns. So I don't do Instagram. I just work with the other 3 platforms: Facebook, Audience Network, and Messenger. So always go with all these 3. Just don't go with Facebook newsfeed because it can cost you more and the CTR will drop. Even the CTR is good, the cost per click will cost you more. So it's not just about high CTR to get you low CPC. It's all about getting the balance of getting both. Like you need to get high CTR and you need to get high CPC. I've seen a lot of ad accounts with high CTR, but still they're going to pay like 0.03 or 0.05 cents. So what you need to do is just try to keep it broad so it can reduce the price. So once it's done, just go to the next section. So what we're going to do is we're not going to do any manual bidding. So you don't have to do manual bidding to make this method really work, because when you do manual bidding, then it will reduce the reach. So don't do manual bidding on this method. So the campaigns I showed you earlier, I don't do manual bidding on those campaigns. I just let it run and Facebook will automatically give me 0.01 cents per click and the CTR is around 15%. So in the next step, let me show you guys how to find the high CTR ad images, how to find them and how to use them, because I can show you a method which can easily test them with low budget and you can easily find those winning ad copies and ad images. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let me go back to Facebook to show you how it works. So you can see I just search for $Sprout because it's a famous website which does finance type articles. They promote finance type articles on Facebook ads. So what you need to do is you need to find articles on what niche you're going to work on. So let's go to this website. So we're just going to take the ad copy. We're not going to take the article. So let's go to this section. So you can see here they're running some ads right now. So you need to click on this to see their ads. So you can see here, so these are the ads they're running right now. So you can see here they've been running this ad from 2019. So they've been running this for last 1 year. So let me open this image in new tab. This image is really working for them. That's the reason they've been running this ad for almost a year right now. So what you need to do is you need to click on search and search Google for image. So once you do that, it will find similar images for you. So what you need to do is you need to collect 3 to 5 images, which is pretty much similar to this. So let me click on visual similar images. So you can see here, so these are the images which is pretty much similar to this. Google is automatically suggesting us more content. So you can see here, so this image is something related to this image and this image, right? They're happy in workplace. That's the concept of this one. So let's go back and let's look at the topic. You can see here, so 10 creative business ideas anyone can start. Image is going to help you get high CTR on your ad image. So what I do is I just search for images like this and I will search it on Google. So Google is automatically going to get you a lot of images which is pretty much similar to the main image. So we need 3 to 5 images, guys. This is very, very important. This is step 2. So what you need to do is just collect 3 to 5 images like this. So let's say I'm going to do these are the 3 images I'm going to work on. So what I do is I just download these images to my system. So once it's done, what you need to do is just go back to your ad set level on this campaign. So you can see here, this is my ad set level. So what I need to do is I need to make some changes to it. I need to click on dynamic creatives because this method really works, guys, because I have tested this. So this is the easiest way to find high CTR ad images on Facebook ads. So you don't have to spend a lot of money on testing each ads. So what I need to do is you need to click on, like you need to turn this on. So it will give you something like this and just click on continue. So let me give you guys an example on how this dynamic creative really works. So what you need to do is just make sure you turn this on and click on next. So it's going to take us to the next section. So this is where we're going to create the ads. So just go with single image or video. And what you need to do is you need to click on select image and you need to select the images you downloaded from Google. So you can see here, so these are the images we're going to use to test. because we don't know which image works and which image don't works. So just don't rely on one ad images. So this is the easiest way to find high CTR ad images. Like I showed, that campaign I showed initially, that particular campaign got 15% CTR on that particular image. So we need to test multiple images. So that's how I found that image. I don't know which image works and which image don't works. You can see here this image particularly works well for that particular page, Facebook page. So for that particular website, that's the reason they've been running that particular image for last 1 year. So you can also do that. What you need to do is you just need to find, just search it on Google and just find a couple more and just put it in dynamic creative, and Facebook will automatically test that particular image and the primary text. So let me show you what primary text means. You can see here primary text means this image, this particular line will show up on the top. So that's called primary text. So what you need to do is you need to click on add option, just click that one more time and just click one more time. So just give you 3 different options. So what you need to do is you need to come up with some different topics like this, and you just paste down all the sections. So you can see here it shows please enter a unique. You can see here please enter unique. It's not unique, it's just copied from the first line. That's the reason it's not accepting. Just have different variations, like you can make some changes to it, and just keep it simple and just make some changes to it. So what Facebook does is they just mix these variations and they just try to come up with a working one. So what it does is they just mix the primary text with the ad image. So with first primary text with 5th ad image, or first primary text with 4th ad image, they just make some changes to that and they just try to find which combination is winning. So that's how this dynamic creative really works. So when you do this, it will easily find you that winning ad copy and the ad image. So just let it run for 24-48 hours. Then once it's done, what you need to do is you just need to break down, and let me show you guys how to do that. So let me close this one. So once after 24 hours, you will have a lot of data on it. So what you need to do is you need to click on breakdown. You need to select the ad set and you need to click on breakdown. So mostly there will be another option here right at this section. It will show as dynamic creative. You need to click on that. So what it does is it will give you data on which dynamic creative has high CTR and which has low CPC. So what you need to do is you need to create one more campaign, and you just need to target that particular ad image and ad copy. So if you are someone who's totally new to this channel, I have a different video on how to create these campaigns. So this is how you're going to find the high CTR ad image. Once you have the high CTR ad image, mostly you can easily create some more campaigns on just traffic with that particular ad image and that particular ad copy. So in that way, you will easily find high CTR ad images on your Facebook ads, and you can easily get 0.01 cent per click. So let me show you guys my old campaign I showed you. So you can see here that's how this particular campaign got 14,000 clicks. You can see the CTR here. So this is the CTR link click, 15% guys. Anything over 10, 12, 13 is very high, and it can easily get you 0.01. But some cases, even you have high CTR and the CPC will cost you more. So what you need to do is you need to split test that ad copy and the ad variation. So that's it guys. So once you have that winning combination, you can create a different campaign. So you can see here there's I'm not using dynamic creative on this campaign because I have already done the test and found the winning ad copy, the winning ad combination. So once I have the ad combination, what I can do is I can create a traffic campaign. So always stick with traffic campaign because that's how you're going to get cheap clicks. So once you have all the images and the primary text, what you need to do is just give the URL and just click on publish. So they will review your ad and they will approve it in 24 hours. So once it's done, let me show you guys how you can make profit from this. So before I show you guys the next step, you can see here it's an online training. If you're interested, you can join this. So you can see here I have 550 students and 4.4 rating on this one training. So I teach about how to do Facebook ads and how to get 0.01 cents per click from Facebook ads, and I have a lot of case studies added to this. So if you are someone who's totally new, make sure you watch this update, 2020 update. I have done a lot of Facebook related case studies on this section. So if you guys are really interested in learning from me, just go ahead and join this course. So I have the link in the description, just click that and you can easily join that. So let me show you guys how you can make money from this method. So you can see here, so I use this spreadsheet to calculate my return on investment and profit. So what I do is you can see here, I just buy traffic from Facebook ads and I send it to my blog articles. So you can see the numbers here. I just spent $7 on Facebook ads and $25 is what I got from return. So let me show you guys how to do that. And return is 334%. So this is the profit we make. So we just spent $7 and we made back $17 in profit. So the next day we made $31 in profit. We never increased the budget. So the budget is pretty much the same, but the profit went up. So you can see here $24 up. So I just gonna keep this campaign keep on running for me. So I don't have to make any changes, and it's gonna bring me like $30 to $50 every single day. So what we do is we just promote our articles from website. So let's say this is my website, and what I do is I just promote this article on Facebook, and I monetize my website with Google Adsense. So you can see here, so these are Google Adsense advertisements on my website. So every time I send traffic to my website, end of the day, I'm going to get paid from Google Adsense, because if I send 1,000 people to my website, at least 5 to 6% of them will go on to click on this ads. So each click will pay us at least 10 to 20 cents, guys. So we're just getting clicks for 0.01 cent. And end of the day, we're going to get paid. So let's say I'm spending $10 on Facebook ads, and end of the day, I'm getting paid like $30 from Google AdSense. So what I need to do is I need to minus that on the revenue. So $20 is my profit. That's 200%. In my case, some campaigns were getting me around 300% return and 350% return. Some campaigns is making me around like $30-40 every single day from just $7 ad spend. So this is how it works. So this is how you can make money from these cheap clicks from Facebook ads. So if you guys are interested in joining my course, I'll be updating every month. So make sure you join that so I can keep on updating it with new strategies. And pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I really hope you really got some good information from this video. So if you really liked it, just leave a like on this video, guys, because it can really help me grow on YouTube. So just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and see you guys in the next video.